In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Sendwave. We'll walk through creating your account, verifying your identity, adding a recipient and payment method, and making your first transfer all in one smooth flow. Start by opening the Sendwave app and tapping Sign Up. Type your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID, then enter your email address. Next, tap the little flag beside the phone field, search or scroll to pick your country code. For example, United States, if that's where your number is registered. Then enter your mobile number. Tap Where are you sending first and choose the destination country you'll use to start. Check the box to accept the terms and tap Sign Up. Keep your phone nearby with notifications on so you can receive security messages right away. A verification code will be sent to your phone. Enter that code to confirm your number. You'll now create a secure PIN. This PIN protects your account and transactions. Choose something memorable but not easy to guess and never share it. Enter a PIN you can remember, tap Create PIN, re-enter it to match, and tap Confirm PIN. You should see that your account was created successfully. From the dashboard, you're ready to begin sending. Tap Recipient to add someone new. When prompted, select a payout method and choose Bank Transfer. Enter the recipient's full name, then their mobile number, and retype the number to make sure it's correct. It's worth pausing a second to confirm the spelling of the name and every digit of the number to avoid delays. Tap Save, then continue to send. Because this is a new account, you'll be asked to verify your identity. Enter your full name and date of birth, select the purpose of the account, and tap Finish. Tap Continue, select your country, and choose the type of document you'll use. Tap Continue, then Continue again, and tap Start. Capture your document following the on-screen frame and lighting tips, then tap Submit Photo. Next, start recording to capture your face. Tap Start and follow the prompts. When that's done, tap Continue to send. Now add a payment method. Choose debit or credit card, enter your card details, then fill in the billing address, zip code, city, and state. The billing address should match what your bank has on file to prevent declines. Tap Continue. Choose the payment method you want to use for this transfer, and tap Continue to send. Review everything carefully, then tap Confirm Transfer to complete it. That's it! Your Sendwave account is set up, your identity is verified, your recipient is saved, and your payment method is ready. You're all set to use Sendwave with confidence.